Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a summary of Omnia Mortise lock cassettes, how to order them, what you're looking for, and how, most importantly, to be sure that you're not ordering the incorrect mortise cassette for your application. Let's take a look at it now. Okay, let's take a look at how to figure out what lock cassette you need to order. So the bottom line is, you're going to look at the attachments that are posted down below. And there will probably be 3 of them: finishes, then functions, and then our cheat sheet, which is here. Okay, now what's really important to start with is, you would think finishes, it's not. In terms of, since we're talking about finishes, in terms of finishes, you'll be sent the compatible or matching finish for the faceplate and the strike plate, depending on your desired finish or your installed finish of your lock. And to illustrate that a little bit further, if you were to order PVD titanium in terms of a trim, the faceplate on the edge of the mortise lock, which we call the armor front, and the strike plate, they're probably not going to be in PVD titanium, even though they could be. The point is they'll provide it in the manufacturer's standard matching or compatible finish, meaning they may only do PVD titanium in 32D. Okay. If you are ordering a polished nickel finish, the face of the cylinder plug may not be polished nickel. It'll be matching or compatible. So the cassette you get with the faceplate and the strike plate may not be the exact PDB finish in this case, or maybe it will be. But the point is we'll be following manufacturer standard. Now, another document that you have to review is a description of the functions. These are what the function descriptions are. You're going to want to take time to really study these and make sure that you're ordering the A, the AC, the F, the L, the M, the J, the EW accordingly. And if you're not sure, contact us and let us help you determine it. I can tell you that F is, in my experience, the most common, followed by A. Everything else after that is very uncommon for us to sell. These back sets on these mortise cassettes are available in 2.5 or 2 3/4 in most instances. Then the final page is really the list showing what's possible. Here is what I'm driving at. You need to be very mindful that you are ordering the replacement mortise cassette for the proper application. Here's what I mean. Our client ordered a 1600F, and the 1600F is, first of all, the F is a panic-proof entry. That basically means on the inside, if this is all locked, the deadbolt and everything is locked from the exterior, if you rotate the inside trim, you will immediately retract everything in the edge of the lock, the latch bolt assembly and the deadbolt. That means you can exit in a panic-proof sort of fashion, meaning you don't have to retract the deadbolt and then rotate the lever. You do it all in one operation. Now, it's a 1600 that the client ordered. Let's take a look at what a 1600 is. Omnia has these leading zeros. We ignore those. 1600, it's an F function. The asterisk simply means specify handing. We had to know the hand. Client orders a 1600. It's a 2.5-inch back set. Handle set by lever. Handle set by lever. Handle set by lever. Not lever by lever. Let's take a look and see what they sent us, and we will see what we can see. Oh, well, you can get in from the outside no matter what. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Oh, something's broke. That toggle is called the stopworks. That's the technical term for it. And now we're just looking at it again. So as we study this, what are we noticing? Well, that something doesn't work. But being the hardware experts that we are, he's got lever by lever. Okay. Let's take a look at lever by lever. If we recall what we were saying, a 1600 is handle set by lever. That requires a different function mortise cassette. Pardon me, a different mortise cassette, not a different function. The client needed to order an 1800F. A 1600 is not going to work because a handle set is, and it's a odd term to use, but entrance handle sets are this. Grip poles with thumb pieces. The mortise cassette is different on those. So I've been selling Omnia replacement mortise cassettes for a long time. And by the way, it's called cassette because if you use your imagination, what this item looks like that slides into the door kind of looks like a giant cassette. Think 80s or think 70s or 60s. 8-track. It looks like something you slide into something else. That's a cassette is what we call it. So now that I've shown you how to make sure you don't order the wrong function, because admittedly when you're looking at our descriptions, it's not obvious. This client ordered a 1600F, and it's literally this item that they ordered where we call out mortise cassette, handle set by lever, not lever by lever. Okay, let's move on. Now, the structure of the part number is always going to look like this, function. That F function was the panic-proof entry. So our part number is going to look like panic-proof entry, mortise cassette. Because we're doing a 1800, if you remember 1800, that was lever by lever. We're going to have lever by lever. It's going to be 2.5-inch backset because an 1800 by definition is 2.5-inch backset, and we'll talk about that more in a moment. Standard fastener package, and then your finish. Finish is going to be again from page 5, and let's just say that you're dealing with something fairly garden variety like polished brass. US 3. There's your part number. So that will be representative of a part number. I think on these pages we have 10 blocks of potential derivatives. Then we have about 20 different finishes that we can list them in. So you've got an Omnia lock, something doesn't work. Don't order the thing first that you believe it to be. Double check, go through these steps. The investment and time is well worth it to make sure that you order the correct item, because even in 2025 pricing, or even in 2005 pricing, these mortise cassettes were never inexpensive. Now, a couple of things to tie this off. The 15 and the 1600 series, the 1500 becomes a 2000 series when you change the backset to 2 3/4. It's not listed here. The folks over at Omnia said, we don't have it listed there. We don't sell a lot of 2 3/4. That's just why we don't have it listed. 1500 becomes 2000 series when 2.5 becomes 2 3/4. 1600 becomes 2100 when 2.5 becomes 2 3/4. Again, because they don't sell a lot of it. Let's switch to the camera view and just tighten up this video and finish it off. A couple of things in conclusion. We don't get the question a lot on replacement mortise cassettes because people already have the mortise cylinder, but a pro tip is the EW and J functions will always take a standard cam. It's sometimes known as the Yale cam. It's just a straight cam. All other functions will take what we call a Corbin cloverleaf. It's just called the cloverleaf cam. A lot of manufacturers like Accurate and obviously Omnia use a cloverleaf cam, as obviously does Corbin and Corbin Russwin use a cloverleaf cam. If you put a cylinder into a mortise cassette and the key doesn't work right, or it slips and moves and doesn't throw and retract, the cam is probably the problem. In conclusion, I would like to say I needed to call Omnia about this problem because I couldn't figure out the right part number for the cassette. In that catalog of 124 pages, I scrolled to page 119 and I stopped. What I needed to see was on page 120. I called Omnia. Voice prompt comes up. Press 1 for customer service. Gentleman answers, and he is as helpful as Santa Claus is hopefully generous on Christmas morning. He was a dream. He took the time. He taught me not only what I need, he told me what I needed to know, but he taught me how to find the answer, and then he gave me the pro tip on the cams, and then how the 1500 becomes 2000 and 1600 becomes 2100 when you change those back sets. So Omnia, like other manufacturers, they're known as residential people. But what is extremely refreshing, what's extremely invigorating, is when you speak to somebody at a company who's known just to be a manufacturer of residential hardware, and the folks there are drop-dead expert. And that's what happened when I called Omnia. So I deeply appreciate their expertise. If you have any questions on Omnia hardware or any builder's hardware in general, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.